my name is Krishoki Jijish. I am from Global Public School. My invention is a vacuum cleaner on a car. I am going to make it work. Principle of flow of air from area of high pressure. An electric motor is attached to a fan that spins it at high velocities. The fast spinning fan creates a region of low pressure inside the suction hose of the vacuum cleaner. Now I am going to show you how the car works on the vacuum cleaner. Press this button. This fan will spin. So if you want to go forward and clean all that, if you want to go forward and clean all that dust, you need to take the remote control, go front and clean. I will aim to the dust and take all the dust. So it almost took this much dust. So it took some of the dust. Now I'm going to show you the parts of these. If you want to off this, like that. As you can see, here there's a battery that helps the switch work and this fan spin. And here there's a mini motor inside this. And that will make it spin and make the power to come. And here in front there's a place to store all the dust so that the dust don't come here, and comes here and be stored, and we can throw to the dustbin easily. I will use the remote control and clean the place which is filled with dust. And now we clean some dust, and now we off this. Now we off this, and then we open this, and I will show you the dust. This is the dust, and you keep it in the waste bucket. This is where you store the dust, so that the dust don't fall onto the fan and spread it everywhere. Now I'm going to keep these back. Now and inside this there's the fan. There's a propeller which has a fan, and it helps the vacuum cleaner to take all the dust inside. Now I'm going to keep these back. Thank you.